hascyber.
Hello and welcome to hascyber. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to conduct some basic static malware analysis of a Windows program executable. So firstly, I will create a sample malware and we will further perform the analysis using tools in Kali, such as Binwalk, Exiftool and Md5deep to generate the hash value of the malware and send it to Virustotal to check how many antivirus vendors have flagged it as being malicious. Let's begin by creating the sample malware using MSF Venom. Great, we have successfully created our sample malware with name pdf.exe, which is an executable program. So let's check to see if our executable program is successfully stored on our machine. So you can see that we have the executable program being stored as pdf.exe. So we will start our analysis by using the Binwalk tool, which can be found in the Kali Linux. So as you can see, we have been able to use the Binwalk with a switch B to scan for common signatures of the executable file. We can also use the Binwalk to perform 3D analysis of the executable file. So as you can see, we have been able to use the Binwalk with a switch 3 to generate a 3D analysis of the executable file. So we can close this window. We can also use the Binwalk to find opcodes. Finding the opcodes can give us some information about the malware and what it tries to do. So we'll use the Binwalk with a switch A to find the opcodes. So as you can see, there are several no operation opcodes. These are normally used in exploit to learn shell codes. Now we will also use a tool called Exiftool, which can also give us more information about the malware. So this can give us more information similar to the Binwalk as we used previously. Now, we will also use a tool called Md5deep to generate the hash value of the malicious file. So as you can see, we have been able to generate the hash value of our malicious file named pdf.exe, which is an executable file. So now let's use some threat intel platforms such as Virustotal and Threatfox to see if the hash value of the malicious program executable will be flagged by any of the antivirus vendors. No data available in table. Let's use Virustotal to also check. No match found. You can see the malicious program executable is not flagged or detected by any of these threat intel sites. Thank you, and please subscribe to hascyber for more tutorials.